Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Quarter Studio. Welcome back. Actually, hope you guys are doing very well, and you guys are actually having a very, very wonderful day. So today, actually, guys, we're going to be doing a new reaction video to Dimash Qudaibergenov, and he's actually performing Blizzard again. So Dimash actually is actually singing. Maybe it's like a competition between him and a lady known as Kristina Orbakaite. Kristina Orbakaite. I haven't actually watched this particular video yet. This is the first time I'm really watching it, and I actually hope you guys are going to like it and you guys are going to be amazed by the way they have to sing. Dimash actually is a very amazing singer. He actually has a very nice and very cool voice, and he actually sings very, very high notes or very, very low notes. You can't really imagine. I've done actually a lot of reaction to Dimash over the past years, and you can check out my channel. You're going to see a lot of different reaction which I've already done about, and I like him so much. He's one of the first people which I started doing reaction videos actually, and I was really amazed by his voice when it came to the music industry. Like, he's the first person I discovered, the first person I knew about, and one of the first people after Sheila and which I started sharing their videos also. So guys, not to waste your time, let's move into this particular video right now. And please, if you're a fan of Dimash and you're a fan of Quarter Studio, which is our channel, and you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel. Please do like our video, and please do share our video with your friends and with your loved ones. And please do share, guys. Thank you very much. So let's move into the video right now.
Қазақ елінің ыстық ықыласына бөленсем деп келген.
So you can actually see him, he's like holding the mic and he's speaking in his language. So I can actually understand very well.
Сол кісінің репертуарынан осыдан 2 жыл бұрын Славянский базар байқауында
It's like giving an intro before starting the song.
түсініп отқан шығарсыздар. Алдарыңызда Kristina Orbakaite!
So he's introducing Kristina Orbakaite into the show right now. I just got bubble balls sort of from the sound. So wonderful. So let's try to concentrate.
За тобой не закрывая дверь, я живу уже который год, и с тех пор отсчет моих нечаянных потерь остановлены кого-то ждет опять. И мается былое в темноте. Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Меня не ведая, прости. На пороге дома не томи. И теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давности вся жизнь опять метель. Былое в темноте опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
korotký dzień.
Короткий день.
That was so wonderful, guys. That was so
Kristina
wonderful by
Orbakaite.
Dimash and Kristina Orbakaite actually performing this particular song Blizzard again, guys. The song was really amazing. You just hear ta 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 da ta 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 ta. I really loved it. I really actually enjoyed it, guys. I really enjoyed it. I'm really actually happy that you guys actually watched this particular reaction video. You guys are watching my reaction videos on my channel. I'm really happy about that, guys, and I can't wait to do more and more reaction video. Please comment, guys. Do comment any of the videos which you like us to react to, and we are always going to be there doing more and more reactions for you, with you, and all for you guys, following your request list. So not to waste your time, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Please do like our video if you haven't yet liked the video. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you want us to do more reactions to any particular video which you like us to do reactions to. We are always open for any reaction video which you are going to like us to do, guys. We are really always open. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you actually for always being there, and have a wonderful day. Stay safe, guys. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. See you soon, guys.